Right. So this is atomic structure. Our chapter name is atomic structure. In this particular chapter, we will find what is an atom, how does an atom forms, and what is a combination of atoms, and how it forms a molecule. And what is the structure of atoms and molecule? Molecule ఒక atom అనేది ఎలా form అవుతుంది అనేది we will see. Okay. So just now we have understood that nucleus will be having, and this will be having the electrons, and these electrons will be attracted by the nucleus. And we have different types of atomic models given by different scientists. We will see in detail about those all. So for instance, we will understand this nucleus, and nucleus will be attracting all the electrons to us in each one. What is an atom? Before going into the concept, first of all, we need to know what actually an atom means. Atom is the smallest unit of matter that retains the identity of the substance. ఒక substance యొక్క identity మనకి కనిపించాలి అంటే we need to form a molecule. To form that molecule, we need to know first what is an atom. So, for instance, for example, if you take this is a small particle, so these are very small particles which are called as atoms. So these are all the small particles which are atoms. So now if these all small particles were combined and form some form of a figure of a molecular form, then we can identify that figure. Right? Adoka figure form, we can identify that substance and we can name that. Right? So ఒక atom అనేది మనకు ఎలా తెలుస్తుందంటే atom is the smallest unit of matter. When it combines, all the atoms అనేవి combine అయితే we will know that what is the type of the molecule it is forming and what is that substance we can identify. But when all the particles are different, for example, if I give a chalk, ఆ చాక్ పీస్ అనేది ఒక ఫామ్ లో ఎలా వస్తుంది, అన్ని చిన్న చిన్న ఆటమ్స్ అన్ని కలిస్తేనే ఒక షేప్ లోకి వచ్చింది. ఇఫ్ ఐ మేక్ దట్ చాక్ పీస్ ఇంటూ పీసెస్ ఆఫ్ పౌడర్ అండ్ ఇఫ్ ఐ గివ్ యూ, will you able to see directly and will you find it without knowing? If I give some powder to you and if I ask you to identify what is that powder, you cannot know because we don't know what actually the shape of it is. So then మనం ఒక షేప్ లో పోసాం కాబట్టి we will know that it is some substance. So what is an atom? It is a very smallest unit of the matter that remains in the identity of the substance. Substance యొక్క identity ని మనకు చూపిస్తుంది. That is called as atom. Next one is atomic structure. The atomic structure. Atomic structures are composed of two regions. What are those two regions? One is nucleus and the other one is electronic cloud. Nucleus is the central part of the atom, which is consists of the mass of the atom. Atom యొక్క mass మొత్తాన్ని ఆ nucleus తీసుకుంటుంది. Thereafter we have the electronic cloud. In the very beginning we have understood nucleus is the central part of the atom and it will be attracting all the electrons towards it because it is having a electronic cloud towards the nucleus. Nucleus చుట్టూ electronic cloud ఉంటుంది కాబట్టి electrons పైన charge వల్ల it will attract the other neutrons. Okay. Next, what is nucleus then? We have understood that there is a nucleus. Atom local nucleus in the nucleus చుట్టూ electronic cloud. Nucleus అంటే the nucleus consists of two or three substance particles. One is protons, the other one is neutrons, and the other one is electrons. Okay, protons, neutrons, and electrons. Protons are the positively charged subatomic particles. Protons are the positively charged subatomic particles, whereas neutrons are the neutrally charged particles, and electrons are the negatively charged particles. Electron. Negatively charged particles. All the electrons are the negatively charged particles. If this is an atom, this is the nucleus. Here we will have the electronic cloud, and here all the protons, neutrons, electrons will be attracted by this electronic cloud because these electrons are being negatively charged, these are positive charged, and these are neutral. So they are being attracted by this atom. Then a helium atom is given here. Helium into the atomic number of helium. Hydrogen, helium. Helium is 2, right? So 2 and ఎలా చెప్తున్నాం దాన్ని helium అనే దాన్ని 2 atomic number అని ఎట్లా చెప్తామంటే the number of electrons or protons present inside the atom is number of neutrons, protons, and electrons are 2 in it. So we can tell that the atomic number is 2. So again, this has been classified by different people. Bohr and Newton atomic number basis classification. ఇంకా J.J. Thomson వేరేలా classify చేసిండు, మార్షల్ వేరేలా classify చేసిండు. So on the basis of different concepts, they have classified the elements. But as for now, we will understand that the total number of electrons, protons, and neutrons are present in the atom. ఒక atom ఇచ్చే atom లో any number of electrons, protons, neutrons ఉన్నాయంటే ఎలా చెప్పొచ్చు? The total number of atomic number will show the number of electrons, protons, and neutrons. And the other concept also comes into picture here, that is electronic configuration. What is electronic configuration? We have different orbitals, s orbital, p orbital, d orbital, and s orbital. The spdf orbitals ఏవైతే ఉంటాయో దాన్ని we have the electronic configuration as 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. We have different orbitals frequency. దాన్ని బట్టి ఏది ఫస్ట్ వస్తుంది, ఏది సెకండ్ వస్తుంది, దేంట్లో ఎలక్ట్రాన్స్ ఫస్ట్ ఫిల్ అవుతాయి అనేది will give electronic configuration. But here, for instance, let us understand that helium atom, the atomic number is 2, so it is having 2 protons, 2 electrons, and 2 neutrons. Okay. And what do these particles consist of? The electrons, protons, and neutrons, what does they do? Okay. The atomic structure, the particle is proton. Proton is a positive charge. Its mass is 1. And neutron has no charge. Its mass is also 1. But the electron is a negative charge, but its mass is 0. An electron does not have any mass. Okay. An electron have a charge, but it does not have a mass. Okay. Proton mass value is 1. Neutron mass value is 1. What is electronic cloud? So now first we have understood first atom and nucleus మధ్యలో ఉంటుంది, దాని చుట్టూ electronic cloud ఉంటుంది. ఇప్పుడు we have understood very clearly what is an atom, what are the constituent particles which are present in the atom. Now let us see what is the electronic cloud. The third subatomic particle which resides outside the nucleus is called as electronic cloud. Nucleus లోపల ఏముంటాయి? Electronic cloud లోపల nucleus ఉంటుంది. Nucleus లోపల ఏమేమి ఉన్నాయి? Protons and neutrons. Then బయట electronic cloud ఉంది. Electronic cloud అనేది negatively charged. So this is called as the third subatomic particle. The first subatomic particle is protons. Second is neutrons. Third one is the electron. Okay. Electron, the subatomic particles with a negative charge and relatively no mass is called as electron. Whereas comparatively, protons have the mass as 1 and neutrons also have the mass as 1. So this is called as an electric cloud. What do these particles interact? How do these all particles interact? Asli particles and ela interact అవుతాయి. We have understood అవి లోపల ఉంటాయి, బయట ఉంటాయి, చుట్టూ ఉంటాయి అర్థం చేసుకున్నాం. So asli particles and ela interact అవుతాయి, we should understand. Protons and neutrons leave compacted in a tiny positively charged nucleus. Protons, neutrons ఎక్కడ ఉంటాయి? We have understood this in the first case only. The nucleus is బయట ఉన్న electronic cloud in the nucleus. Nucleus లోపల we will be having a the nucleus లోపల మనకి positively charged particles and neutrally charged particles and nucleus లోపల అంటే at the center of the nucleus we will be having. And then బయట ఏముంటాయి? Electronic cloud ఉంటుంది, అందులో electrons ఉంటాయి. Okay. So ఇవన్నీ ఎలా interact అవుతాయి అంటే the account most of the mass of the atom. The negatively charged electrons are small and have relatively small mass, but occupy a large volume of space outside the nucleus. ఏవైతే protons, neutrons కి weight ఉందో ఆ weight ఉన్న particles only nucleus లోపలే ఉంటాయి, but చాలా తక్కువ weight ఉంటాయి. But చాలా ఎక్కువ weight ఉంటాయి కానీ తక్కువ ప్లేస్ ఆక్యుపై చేసుకుంటాయి. Electrons కి తక్కువ weight ఉంటాయి కానీ ఎక్కువ స్పేస్ ఆక్యుపై చేసుకుంటాయి. And how do the subatomic particles balance each other? Subatomic particles అనేవి అన్ని ఎలా బ్యాలెన్స్ చేస్తాయి? In an atom, the protons equals to the electrons. So ఒక atom తీసుకుంటే ఆ atom లో total number of protons ఉన్నాయో అన్ని number of electrons కూడా ఉంటాయి. For example, ఒక atom లో 20 protons ఉంటాయి, 20 electrons కూడా ఉంటాయి. And this is the balance that we have there. Okay. The overall charge of the atom is the atoms are neutral. In atoms, the charge of atom ఎంత ఉంటే దాంట్లో number of neutral atoms కూడా ఉన్నాయి. The neutrons have no charge. Even though the neutrons have no charge, but the total number of neutrons, protons and electrons are equal. That we have understood in the previous case. Helium element using. Akkada we have understood. Right? Even the total number of electrons, protons and electrons are the atomic number 2 at the number of protons are 2, neutrons are 2, electrons are 2. The same concept is given. Okay, one balance out there. Always the total number of protons is equal to the total number of electrons in the given atom. How do we know the number of subatomic particles in an atom? ఒక atom లో number of subatomic particles ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయో తెలుస్తుంది. It is known by the atomic number. This number indicates the number of protons in an atom. Hydrogen atomic number is 1, so hydrogen has 1 proton. Carbon atomic number is 6, so carbon has 6 protons in it. The number of protons identifies the atom. 2 protons, helium. 29 protons, what? 29 protons is copper. Okay. For example, if I ask you, what is the total number of protons? If the total number of protons are 30, then the element is zinc. Okay. If the total number of protons are 5, then what is the element we will get? Boron. Okay. So number of protons, that atomic number is that much. Okay. And mass number. You can mass number. What is mass number? How do we know the number of subatomic particles in an atom? Next one is also another case is mass number. First one is protons. Any protons in the that base is second one is mass number. The number of protons and neutrons in a nucleus. Nucleus local any number of protons neutrons ఉన్నాయో దాన్ని mass number అంటాం. ఎందుకు? Why are we not considering electrons here? Because electrons has electron. There is no mass. There is no mass for electrons, so we will not consider it in the mass number. Only protons, neutrons ke mass ఉంటుంది కాబట్టి we consider them in the mass. Nucleus local any number of protons, neutrons ఉన్నాయో దాన్ని బేస్ చేసుకొని mass number. For example, oxygen have a mass of 16 since it has equal number of protons and neutrons. So 8 protons and 8 neutrons. So now you should get it out. ఇప్పుడు దీని mass number 16 అంటుంది. అందుకే దాని number of protons 8 number of neutrons 8 అంటుంది. దాన్ని half divide చేస్తాం. Right? Now you should get a doubt that is 8 the atomic number of oxygen or not? Yes. Oxygen atomic number enta 8. So directly if you take the total number of protons, you get the atomic number. If you take the mass number, divide it by 2. Protons తీసుకున్నాం అనుకో. Number of protons 8 అంటే వచ్చే ఎలిమెంట్ ఏంటి అంటే ఏం చెప్తాం? Oxygen. But protons is not given to you. Mass number ఇచ్చాడు. Mass number is 16. Then divide the mass number by 2. 16 by 2. Then you will get the protons and neutrons. Protons and neutrons equal గా ఉంటాయి. So protons 8 neutrons 8. Protons 8 ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి now again the atom is oxygen. Okay, right? మనకి number of protons ఇచ్చిన from this we will try to find out. Okay, so this is how we will find out using the mass number. Understood? Next, what about the electrons then? So what are electrons? How does they help us? The electrons మనం చూసాం protons and neutrons రెండు ఉన్నాయి. ఈ రెండు protons and neutrons మనకి mass number ఉంది, number of protons ఉంది, దాన్ని బేస్ చేసుకొని we are giving the total number of weight to the body. ఒక mass number ఇస్తే దాన్ని by 2 చేస్తున్నాం, number of protons వస్తుంది. దాన్ని if you do it by what? If you directly consider the protons, we are getting directly the atom. ఒకవేళ atom protons total number of protons ఇవ్వకుండా మనకు ఒకవేళ mass number ఇస్తే with that mass number we are dividing it by 2, we are finding the total number of protons, again we are finding the atom. But ఈ protons neutrons ని యూజ్ చేసినప్పుడు electrons అండి దాని పరిస్థితి ఏంటి? The electrons are equal to the number of protons. Any protons ఉన్నాయో దాని number of electrons కూడా ఉంటుంది. That is what we have understood in the first slide itself. Starting అర్థం చేసుకున్నాం. మరి ఎన్ని protons ఉంటే అన్ని electrons అన్ని neutrons ఉంటాయి. We have seen helium. Then what we have understood? The total number of protons and electrons all are equal. Okay. So the electrons are equal to the number of protons. Oxygen has a mass of 16 and an atomic number of 8. So 16 a mass number కాబట్టి it will have 16 mass number అంటే ఏం చేస్తాం మనం జనరల్ గా protons are 8, neutrons are 8, and again it has 8 protons, 8 neutrons, then it will also have the 8 electrons. Understood? So ఈ protons and neutrons అనేవి ఇక్కడ ఉంటాయి. These are protons, these are neutrons. These are protons and these are neutrons. These are 8 and these are also 8. But the electronic cloud లో ఏముంటాయి? Electrons ఉంటాయి. ఈ electrons ఎన్ని ఉంటాయి? These are also 8. That is what it means. The total number of protons is 8 and the total number of neutrons is also 8. Okay. Model of the atomic picture of the electrons moving around the nucleus in a region called as electronic cloud. ఏవైతే ఎలక్ట్రాన్స్ ఈ రీజియన్ లో మూవ్ అవుతున్నాయి ఇంతకుముందు చూసిన రీజియన్ ఎలక్ట్రానిక్ క్లౌడ్ రీజియన్ లో ఎలక్ట్రాన్స్ అనేవి మూవ్ అవుతూ ఉంటాయి దాన్ని ఎలక్ట్రానిక్ క్లౌడ్ అని అంటారు. The electronic cloud is a cloud of varying densities surrounding the nucleus. Nucleus లో ఎంత డెన్సిటీ ఉందో మనకు తెలియదు. For example, oxygen has the density as 16. Right? For example, if you take boron, it is 5. So the mass number is 10. So 5 protons, 5 neutrons, and 5 electrons. So what is the mass? 10. And mass అంతా 10 ఉంటుంది. So nucleus ని బట్టి దాంట్లో ఉన్న protons, neutrons ని బట్టి the total number of density will be differential. Okay. And what about the electrons? This we will Electrons are found in a specific circular paths around the nucleus. Okay. Electrons are found in specific circular paths called as orbits around the nucleus. Nucleus చుట్టూ మనకి electronic cloud ఉంటుంది. Electronic clouds లో we have the paths of electrons, those are called as orbits. Okay. The electrons have fixed energies called as energy levels. ప్రతి దానికి energy level ఉంటుంది. Those energy levels are been also fixed. Then the amount of energy required to move an electron to one another energy level is called as quantum or shell. So quantum numbers ఉంటాయి మీరు Bohr quantum theory కూడా ఉంది. We have different quantum numbers. The quantum spin quantum numbers, magnetic quantum numbers, azimuthal quantum numbers, principal quantum numbers. 4 types of quantum numbers will be having. So different atoms, electrons ki different types of energy కావాలి. ఒక energy level నుంచి ఇంకో energy level కి వెళ్ళాలి. For example, if the energy level is 1, from one energy level to another energy level, it should gain some electrons so that it will be moving on. So energy level ni తీసుకునేదాన్ని ఏమంటాం? We call it as quantum. Okay. The energy level of an electron are labeled by principal quantum numbers. The energy level of an electrons are being labeled by principal quantum numbers. Okay. Electrons are arranged in energy levels or shells around the nucleus of an atom. The first shell is having 2 electrons, second shell will be having 8 electrons, third one is also having 8 electrons of the maximum capacity of the electrons. We call this as SPDF. Okay, here it is given from generally we consider here first subshell 2 SPDF. In s orbital we take 2, in p orbital 6, here 8 and here 14. Here 10 we take 10 and 14. How exactly are the particle arranged? Bohr model of atomic model. Okay, Bohr's atomic model lo ila number of idi nucleus. Nucleus chuttu white color layer undiga bayata. This one, this all is called as electronic cloud. The electronic cloud lone total number of electrons undayo danni base cheskoni we call SPDF. This is SPDF. In s orbital only 2 electrons are released. In p orbital 6, and then the excess will be in the d and f orbitals. Okay, so that is how the energy will be arranged. Next, what does carbon look like? Carbon atom etla untundi. So this is a figure of a carbon atom. So 2 electrons here in the s orbital, 4 in the p orbital. SPDF. So s orbital 2 electrons. The electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2p, 2. Okay, so 6 electrons. 1s2, 2s2, 2p, 2. That is the electronic configuration of the carbon atom. And the mass number is 12, atomic number is 6. Atomic number 6 కాబట్టి protons should be 6, electrons should be 6, neutrons should be also 6. Okay, so that is what being given with the bottom. Okay, protons are 6, neutrons are 6, and electrons are 6. Okay. Then comes to the electronic configuration, which I have discussed now. With electronic configuration, elements are represented numerically by the number of electrons in their shells and the number of shells. Number of shells and the electrons lo malli any shells. For example, let us take nitrogen. The electronic configuration is, what is the nitrogen atomic number? 7. 7 nitrogen atomic number is 7. So then nitrogen atomic number 7 and up to, we have s orbital. The configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p. How much? 4. This is 3. 1s2, 2s2, 2p, 3. And the s orbital will be having 2 electrons. P orbital will be having 3 electrons. So the valence electronic configuration is ns2, np. The valence electronic configuration is ns2, np. And we can also write the electronic configuration for all this. Silicon, so how is the dispersion of electrons in a shell? The outer energy of our shell is considered full when it has the maximum number of electrons that can fit into the middle. So outer energy level of a shell is considered full. Eప్పుడు full అవుతుంది దాంట్లో ఎన్ని నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ ఎలక్ట్రాన్స్, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ if we take -2 s orbital, s orbital లో 2 electrons ఉంటాయి. So we take that as the full of the shell అనేది full అయింది అని అర్థం. For example, the first level is filled with the 2 electrons. Second shell will be filled with the 6 electrons. Third shell with the 10 electrons. Fourth shell with the 14 electrons. Next, how is dispersion of electrons in a shell? Cellular dispersion of electrons. How does the dispersion of electrons happen in a shell? If the outer energy level is full, it is considered non-reactive. It does not need to chemically react or bond with any another atom or molecule. Okay. If the outer energy level is incomplete, it is considered. How is the dispersion of electrons in a shell? Okay, shell electrons are dispersion. For example, the shell level is full. Full అయితే non-reactive. ఎందుకు non-reactive? For example, ఒక బకెట్ ఉంది. Bucket లో full of water పోసేసి. In case of water was ఏమవుతుంది? This water will be flowing on. అంతేగాని this is no reaction అనేది ఏం జరగదు. But if there is some shell, it is the level అనేది ఇంకా incomplete గా ఉంది. ఇప్పుడు ఇందులో కొంచెం వాటర్ పోస్తే ఏమవుతుంది? The level will be increased. Okay? So there will be some change. So ఇది reactive. So if the cell is full, then it is non-reactive. If the cell is incomplete, it is reactive. And it will either lose or gain electrons and chemically react or bond with another atom. Okay, electron అనేది it can lose the electron or it can gain it. If it gains the electron, it will move towards the upper shell. If it loses the electron, it will come back to the lower shell. And again, we will be having, for example, carbon atomic number is 6. So the valence electronic configuration should be ns2 np2. So valence electronic configuration is np2 ఉండాలి. So it is having the valency as 4 electrons. So there are 4 electrons. Right? If there is a valency of 4 electrons, then what we can do, for example, if you consider here, the carbon atomic number is 6. So we have a p orbital and one s orbital. S orbital no 2 electrons. And here in the p orbital 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Right? So 1s2. Electronic configuration. Sorry. 1s2, 2s2 and 2p2. 1s2, 2s2 and 2p2. So here the electronic arranged as 1s2 and 2s2 and 2p2. So here we have the valency of 1, 2, 3, 4 electrons. So inka 4 electrons with carbon gain cheskune capacity. That is why carbon atomic has the most amount of that is why carbon has the most amount of capability to react with every element. Carbon ni అందుకే చాలా ప్లేసెస్ లో వాడతాం reactive agent. Coming to orbitals, the electrons of an atom are in constant of motion. The region of space that an electron occupies is known as an orbital. The region, the space which is occupied by the electron is called as an orbital. Orbital comprises of sublevels of principal energy level. Those are SPDF, which we have understood from the first slide. S orbital 1, d orbital 5, S low 1 orbital. These are again suborbitals in the S orbital. Total number of electrons are important for us. ఇందులో 2 electrons పడతాయి, ఇందులో 6 electrons పడతాయి, ఇందులో 10 పడతాయి, ఇందులో 14 electrons. Okay. Next, S and p orbitals are the most important in organic and biological chemistry. Where S orbital is spherical and nucleus at the center. P orbital is in the dumbbell shape. The shapes are very important again. We'll see in detail how the shapes will be given. S orbital is in spherical shape. D orbital is in the dumbbell shape. And D orbital is in the elongated dumbbell shape. And S orbital has the 2 maximum electrons. P orbital has 6 maximum electrons. D orbital 10. F has 14 maximum. This is spherical dumbbell. The p x orbital, p y orbital, p z orbital. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 electrons. Okay. And p total fully round. And orbitals on the higher energy. Orbitals are grouped in the shells of increasing size and energy. Different shells contains different number of kinds of orbitals. Each orbital can be occupied by 2 electrons. Okay. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. 6 electrons బడితే d orbital of 10 electrons. అంటే ప్రతి ఒక్క షెల్ లో 2 electrons పడతాయి. 1 2 3 6 అంటే 1 2 3 గా డివైడ్ చేస్తాం, 10 అంటే 5 గా డివైడ్ చేస్తాం, 14 అంటే 7 గా డివైడ్ చేస్తాం. So that's we came to an end. Now the atomic number of an atom should be equal to the number of protons and neutrons and electrons. The atomic mass is the number of protons plus neutrons in a nucleus. Number of protons is always equal to the total number of electrons in an atom, and electrons orbit in the nucleus of shells. Each shell can only carry a set of number of electrons that the element can capable to hold. S orbital 2 orbital, p orbital 6 orbital, d orbital 10, and f orbital contains 14 number of electrons. So that is all which we have discussed.